It's common to attribute feeling heavy, bloated, and tired after 60 to aging, but often it's due to impacted waste in the intestines. This video provides a gentle, doctor-recommended 10-step natural cleansing plan specifically for seniors to help the body eliminate waste, improve energy, and relieve constipation. Constipation worsens with age due to slowed digestive muscle contractions, decreased activity, insufficient water intake, and side effects from medications. This can lead to chronic fatigue, poor sleep, loss of appetite, and bloating. Signs your intestines need cleansing include constant bloating, persistent fatigue, bad breath, hard stools, skin issues, dizziness, or brain fog. The video outlines a 10-step plan for gentle colon cleansing. Warm water therapy. Start your day with a glass of warm water, possibly with lemon juice, to stimulate digestion and hydrate bowels. Oat kissel. Boil oats in water to create a gel-like liquid that soothes inflammation and removes waste. Prune and kefir mix. Blend prunes and kefir for a natural overnight laxative that provides probiotics. Flaxseed infusion. Soak flax seeds overnight and drink the liquid with the chewed seeds in the morning for soluble fiber. Internal brush salad. Regularly eat raw beetroot and carrot salad with olive oil and lemon juice to sweep out waste. Soothing herbal tea. Sip chamomile, peppermint, and fennel tea after meals to relieve gas and bloating. Castor oil pack. Gently massage warm castor oil onto your abdomen externally to stimulate bowel activity. Evening walk and breathing. A 10-minute walk after dinner with deep breathing helps move digestion along. Psyllium husk hydration. Mix psyllium husk powder in a large glass of warm water and drink it quickly, followed by more water to soften stool. Epsom salt bath. Soak in a warm bath with Epsom salts to relax intestinal muscles and draw out toxins. Additionally, incorporate foods like kiwi, pear, papaya, fermented foods, kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, oatmeal, and buckwheat to keep bowels active. Drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water or herbal tea daily and reduce white bread, fried foods, and sugary pastries. Important precautions for seniors. Avoid daily chemical laxatives, introduce fiber slowly, and consult a doctor if constipation is severe, lasts more than a week, or if you have underlying health conditions. The goal is to return to natural rhythms and give your body the tools for optimal function.